Here at Rolec, we believe in the power of working together to make the world more sustainable and to future-proof it for generations to come. And our owners, Sdiptech, lead the way with this vision. Sdiptech is an infrastructure technology group with over 40 companies worldwide, and we have had the pleasure of partnering with one of these companies called IDE, a temporary power distribution specialist which allows us to share even more options for hardware, opportunities and innovation. Whilst Rolec has all your permanent electric vehicle charging requirements covered, IDE has a fantastic range of solutions for temporary electric vehicle charging needs and temporary power distribution, which is ideal for construction sites, temporary venues and exhibitions. Innovation is at the heart of IDE, as demonstrated by their energy management system called Erica. This system offers monitoring and measuring of power on the sites, allowing each site to be analysed to help the user reduce carbon emissions and costs. So whether you're searching for a permanent or temporary solution, Rolec and IDE have got you covered.